Okay, Chennai. Coming in next is the largest aircraft of the Indian Air Force, C-17, along with Suryakiran Aerobatic Team. Can you spot it on the horizon? If yes, raise your umbrellas. And here you are being delivered with a surprise. The Indian Air Force is adept at delivering a surprise. Flying in next is C-17 along with Hawks of Suryakiran Aerobatic Team. Ladies and gentlemen, look behind your right shoulder to catch a glimpse of the magnificent C-17 taking a curved path as they graciously turn in front of you, streaming the tricolor in the skies, trailing right behind the Suryakirans in arrowhead formation. The captain of C-17 is Wing Commander Akshay Saxena, and leading the Hawks is Group Captain Gurpreet Singh Dhillon. Flying with Dhillon is Chennai's own boy, Group Captain Dashrathi, who witnessed the air show in the year 2003 at the very same Marina Beach and vowed to fly in the skies of Chennai one day to mesmerize you all.
உங்கள் முன்னால் நீங்கள் பார்ப்பது மகாபலி ஃபார்மேஷன், ஒரு C-17 கனரக விமானம் மற்றும் சூரியகிரண் ஏரோபாட்டிக் டீம். சென்னை பிரம்மாண்டம் என்ற பெயருக்கு பொருத்தமான இந்த ஃபார்மேஷன் உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் ஒரு சமர்ப்பணம்.
Achamillai, Achamillai. These powerful words by Bhartiyar perfectly embody the spirit of the Suryakiran Aerobatic Team. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Sarang மற்றும் C-17 அணியின் மிக பெரிய காட்சி முடிந்தவுடன் இந்திய விமானப்படையின் சூரியகிரண் வகுப்பின் கண்கவர் மற்றும் நெஞ்சில் பதியும் கலை விளையாட்டு அற்புத காட்சியை பார்க்க தயாராகுங்கள். சென்னை, நீங்க ரெடியா? What you just saw was a trailer of the Suryakiran team. And if you want them back, can I hear a huge round of applause? It's time to take up the thrill and excitement. After more than 2 decades, the skies of Chennai will once again see 9 magnificent jets proudly wave the tricolor in the sky. In less than a minute now, the Suryakiran team will be taking over the sky of Chennai. இந்திய விமானப்படை அதன் சக்தி, துல்லியம், தோழமை உணர்ச்சி மற்றும் வீரத்திற்காக அறியப்படுகிறது. And today the Suryakiran team will demonstrate the same professionalism and josh. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the ambassadors of the Indian Air Force, the Suryakiran Aerobatic Team. Leading the team is Group Captain G.S. Dhillon, and here they come diving back down. Now please keep your gaze fixed on the team. You will see one aircraft detaching from the formation. Anga paranga, there goes number 7 squadron leader Chandel. The aircraft have now moved behind onto the wings of Group Captain Siddesh Karthik, our very own Chennai boy and the deputy leader of the team. The aircraft are now in the shape of the letter V, a tribute to the Indian Armed Forces. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Victory Formation. sure you remember one aircraft had detached from the formation. Please look to your left. Angaparanga, he is back and he has a message.
நான் வந்துட்டேன்னு சொல்லு, திரும்பி வந்துட்டேன்னு சொல்லு.
The co-pilot of the team leader is Group Captain Ajay Dasrathi. Dusty is a Su-30 pilot who hails from Chennai. Now please look towards your right. Dusty will lead the aircraft and pull up towards the sky. And as they go up, they will turn by 90 degrees to draw the shape of the clover leaf, a symbol of hope, faith, and good luck. Sending you best wishes from the sky to his very own homeland. The aircraft that you see flying above are the Hawk Mark 132 Advanced Jet Trainer. And to give you a closer look of this aircraft, please look to your right. Here comes number 7. 360-degree viewங்க எல்லா angle இருந்தும் இந்த aircraft பார்க்கலாம். Flying on the wings of the leader in all formations is number 2 Squadron Leader Jasdeep Singh and number 3 Squadron Leader Vishnu. Look to your left, here they go pulling up for the barrel roll. Ladies and gentlemen, please brace yourselves and sit tight as you are in for a surprise. Attagasamana surprise katirka. Look to your right, here's number 7 buzzing through the skies. And now it's time to shift our gaze straight ahead, because right above the magnificent Coast Guard ship, the aircraft will be approaching together from right in front of you. And on the leader's command, they will spread in different directions as a tribute to the arms and services of the Indian Armed Forces. And there goes the leader pulling up with his wingman. Get ready to hear the leader's voice straight from his cockpit.
And burst, go!
Makkale, ingum podadinga. We're just getting started. The team will now commence their synchro maneuvers, where we will bring the action much lower and closer to you. For the first synchro maneuver, please look towards your right. You will see Wing Commander Arjun Patel and Wing Commander Alan George coming in. But also look to your left. Here comes Squadron Leader Ankit Vashisht and Wing Commander Rajesh Kajla. These aircraft will now be crossing each other right in front of you. Ippo unga right and unga left paranga. Well, let me tell you, such daredevil maneuvers are made possible by sheer practice, precision, and trust among each team member. And demonstrating this precision, hard work, and immense trust, here come number 8 and 9, once again from your right and left. Windmill or a high five moment. Here's your chance to witness the coolest high five in the sky. Please look to your right and your left. Next maneuver, let's shift our gaze to our right. You will see the aircraft forming the shape of the English letter A. And this A stands for the mighty aerospace power that the Indian Air Force is today. But wait a second, who's that coming from your left? There goes Wing Commander Arjun Patel, pulling up for a loop.